Hello, it's Jeta, and it's been a while. I am really sorry because, as you know, I had my final GCSE exams this last kind of month, and I thought I'd be able to upload every single week, but things just got really overwhelming, so I decided to put YouTube aside for a bit. But I'm back now. I finished all my exams, which is just literally crazy to even think about. Like, I can't believe I finished school and I've got like 3 months of holiday now, which is really good, but also like I don't think it's actually sunk in yet. But yeah, today I thought I'd just do like a little vlog, just kind of me trying to get used to not having to do revision for once. But yeah, I just thought I'd take you along with me on my day. I don't really have that many plans. I am going to go to a charity bookshop, which I've been meaning to go to for a while, with my friend a bit later. But other than that, I don't really have too many plans. My room is actually so messy, like it's probably the worst it's been in a really long time. But that's just like the consequences of exams, and I will be tidying it, but starting tomorrow, because I'm going to be basically filming a 3-part series of deep cleaning my room. Part 1 is going to be my desk and just all my school stuff, like throwing away all of those notes and things that I made over the last few years. Part 2 is going to be my wardrobe and all my clothes, buying some new ones for sixth form and things. And then part 3 is my bookshelf, because it's getting quite bad. And I need to unhaul some books too, which is going to be hard, but I have to do it. So yeah, that's what I'm kind of up to at the moment. Right now, I don't really know what to do. What's the time actually? It's 10:30. I don't know. I feel like, actually, I don't know what to do. Okay, I'm gonna get back to you when I actually figure out what I want to do today. Oh, actually, let's do this. Let's actually write a list of what I want to do today. And I have a special guest with me today. This is the balloon that we got given on the last day of school, which was really fun. We didn't release them or anything, we just kind of took pictures, but now it's just like in my room. I'm not complaining, it's kind of funny, just like I will literally just glance up, completely forget it's there. But the helium's still working, it's still up there, so that's kind of cool. I figured out what I want to do today, and the first thing I'm going to do is just read. So 1984, started this right at the beginning of my exams. Obviously I was reading it very slowly, but today I want to kind of get to the end of part 1. That's my plan. I think maybe I'll go to the living room and read this, I'll see. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm actually feeling really hungry, so I've just cut up some vegetables, like some cucumber, avocado and pepper. I'm gonna have some hummus as well, and probably some bread. I might have it with some like bagel or something for lunch. We don't have very much in at the moment in the fridge, just because we're expecting a food order later today, and then also one tomorrow, so we don't have very much in, so it's like a really mismatched lunch. I ate a bit earlier than everyone else. I just was really hungry for some reason. So yeah, my family are eating right now, and my sisters just did like these tattoos, like these butterfly ones that they found, so I thought I'd do one as well. I think I'll put it on my hand, like here. But they're just so pretty, like the colours are beautiful. But yeah, I thought I'd attempt to do this. I I'm not very good at doing these. Like, I can't remember the last time I did one of these, so I'll show you when I figured it out. Okay, so now I'm just going to make a list of all the things that I want to do in the summer holidays, like places I want to visit, things I want to do at home, things I want to learn. Yeah, basically just like a summer holiday bucket list thing, I guess, but like achievable things. Yeah, so I just feel like if I have this list of things, I'm more likely to do it, and also I really don't want to like waste any time in the summer. Not that I'm going to be doing anything particularly productive or anything, but it's just that I have a lot of time on my hands and I don't just want to sit around and then looking back on this time wish that I'd used it better. One of the things I really want to learn is to touch type, like type really fast on the computer, so that's something I want to learn. You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I'm gonna play Uno now with my mum and sisters. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday. Someday. Okay, so I'm going to take a lateral flow test now, a COVID test. We get given these from school because whilst we were still at school, we had to do 2 every week, but they just gave us like a big pack over the summer so that we can still keep testing and make sure that we're being safe. So yeah, I haven't done one in a bit, so I'm gonna just take a COVID test. Also, since I'm meeting up with my friend, I just want to make sure that like I don't have COVID before I meet up with her, so that I don't like give it to her or anything. Okay, so test is all done, and now I'm going to, I think, like watch a bit of YouTube. So I am like a quarter way through Eve Bennett's new vlog in Seville. I am really loving her like travel vlogs at the moment, and it's so beautiful seeing like Spain. I went there for an exchange in 2020, like in January 2020, and like seeing Spain again, even though it's not the same place that I went, but it's just like really cool. And I'm going to watch this now, I think. So it's currently like 2:30 and I'm meeting my friend at around 3:10, so I'm just gonna like sit around and yeah, probably just watch the rest of this vlog and then maybe read or something. So yeah. I just went to the bookshop and then we went for a walk afterwards with my friend. I'm just going home now. It was a really nice walk actually. So I just got back, I ate dinner, but now I thought I'd do a little haul of the books that I got. I got 3 books. They had such a good collection. Like, I will definitely be going back there again because the collection of books was so good. So the first book I got, it's been on my to be read list for ages, and like I just could never find the right justification to buy the book. But then just before we left the shop, there was like a box with just like loads of mini books just kind of shoved inside, and I just like rummaged around. The first one I picked out was this. It's called The Book of Tea, and it's basically kind of like a guide to and like a history of tea kind of in Japan. So it says a 1906 guide to the beauty of the tea ceremony, and yeah, it just looks like something I'd really like. So this was like only 99p, which is like really cheap for a book, so I was very happy with this purchase. Then I got this. It's called An Apple a Day, Old-Fashioned Proverbs and Why They Still Work. This I found in the poetry section, and like as soon as I picked it up I was like, oh my god, I need this. They're basically old sayings like that we use in England. So for example, actions speak louder than words, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, like revenge is sweet, curiosity killed the cat. They're just short like histories of them and like where they come from and what they mean essentially. So the reason why I love sayings is because I was reading Macbeth as a revision for English GCSE a few weeks ago, and I read this line. It was like, what's done is done, and Lady Macbeth says this, and then it clocked that the phrase what's done is done comes from Shakespeare. It's like comes from Macbeth, and ever since then I've always been trying to like find phrases and where they come from. So this is like a really cool book. Yeah, I was really happy with this find. And then the last book I got is this, kind of quite vintagey, which is why I really liked it. The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. So I actually never read The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. I read the kind of abridged version of it, but I didn't read the proper version. It's not like in the best condition, but I kind of like that it's got the kind of original illustrations, I believe, and just the pages are just really old and worn. But yeah, this was only £2, so I will definitely be going back. I went to an Oxfam charity bookshop, which is like literally 2 minutes away from where I live, and I've never been there before, and I can't believe I haven't. Like, I'm going there again. They had such good book collections. But yeah, I'm really happy with the books that I got. Overall, £5 for 3 books is not too bad. Today, I found it hard to know what to do with my time, just because it's kind of the first few days of holiday. Like, I finished school on the Friday the 21st, and today's only the Sunday the 23rd, so it's still like I'm still trying to transition into this period of time, which is why it's all over the place and I like still don't know what I'm doing. But I thought I would just like end the video here because I'm literally going to just be watching Netflix. It's currently 6, so I'm just going to watch a few episodes of something and read as well, and then like try and get an early night, I think. But yeah, that is that's what I'm doing. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've still got exams, then really good luck for those. Remember to still relax, don't stress too much. But if you're done with school, then try to have some fun and relax, because we all deserve it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day. Bye!